key locations you need to be aware of when you're changing the oil on your 22 Ford Bronco with the 2.7. This probably relates to other years as well. Gonna include your dipstick back here. It's how you tell how much oil you actually have in the vehicle. You have your oil fill port right here. And it actually has a little oil can logo, and it also tells you the weight of the oil, but you can always refer to your owner's manual as well for that. And then your oil filter, yes, it's right on top of the vehicle, and I'll have another video that shows removing this. It's not as bad as it may seem. It's actually really convenient. This thing drains on its own, so it does not make a mess. But that's your oil filter. And then last but not least, we have to crawl under the vehicle, and that yellow plug right there actually twists off. That is your oil drain plug, and that goes right into the side of your oil pan on the bottom of your engine.